top 5 most beautiful birds in the world. Let's go. At number 5, the Mandarin Duck, a rainbow in duck form, symbol of love in Asia. Number 4, Flamingo, tall, pink, and fabulous. Their color comes from what they eat. Number 3, the bird of paradise. No, it's not photoshopped. It really looks like that. At 2, the legendary Resplendent Quetzal, worshipped by the Mayans for its divine colors. And number 1, the peacock. Over 200 feathers, a tail like a fan, and pure royalty in motion. Which one blew your mind? Comment below.